So after looking through the website called Edmodo, which is a website I haven't used, it seems very similar to another website that I do use, which is Google Classroom. I prefer Google Classroom just because that's what I've been used to, but I did decide to kind of reach out and check out something that I haven't used so much. Basically what Edmodo is you're able to have a bunch of classes. I've only made one class so far, just an Algebra 1 class. And basically you're able to make add students, send posts, create assignments, and then create quizzes and stuff too. So I'll just kind of take you through, but obviously you can see all classwork and stuff, so you're actually ready. You can grade stuff on here and actually have a grade and use Edmodo for your grading system. But let's go back and I'll just show you what it's like to, for example, create a quiz, because I can't go through all of this obviously, but maybe it'll let me. There we go. Creating a quiz, I'll just call it Algebra 1 quiz. We'll say it's 60 minutes, but obviously you can do some other stuff with that too. Go on to quiz questions. You can make it a multiple choice, a true, false, a short answer, fill in the blanks. But the best part about it is that it's not on paper, nothing's on paper. Even if you have like a short answer question, you're going to be able to grade it in that grading, in that portion of the home screen there where you can click on the grading and kind of grade things on there. You type your question in there, figure out how many points it's worth, and attach files, add a link, and things like that. You can also add from a question bank and kind of use those things as well. So once that's assigned, you assign that for when you want it due, and you can click assign there, but obviously we don't have it quite set up yet. I think it's pretty powerful site because, and I think the people that would use it would be teachers of any subject. It's very easy to create quizzes on here and keep everything in order. So maybe if you just wanted a section of your gradebook dedicated to Edmodo, the kids would have that final gradebook and they could log on and see what their grades are at any point. So definitely for students, but I would also tell other teachers as well about this. My purpose for this one would be more of a reason for not only for in school, but right now it's kind of easier to teach away from school when you have some type of tool like this, where students can go on and see what they're supposed to be doing and see when it's due and stuff like that. It's all online, it's easy to see from home, and it's easy to see grades and stuff like that, all in one place. A couple of ITSE standards that I think kind of deal with this website would be cultivating responsible online behavior, including the safe, ethical, and legal use of technology, which is ITSE standard 1D. And I think the reason I chose that one was because teachers are able to see everything that's posted on here, and you can kind of use that to your advantage in cultivating responsible online behavior. Another thing that I used, another ITSE standard that I used was 3D, where it says support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the needs of diverse learning, cultural, and socio-emotional needs of individual students. That's a lot of stuff there, but I really liked the part about it where it says you're supporting diverse learning. And this is really going to be a good way to do that. So, for example, students that can't always find the time, they can kind of go on here and do the stuff on their own. It's kind of a work from home, a at your own pace type of website, which I really find I like it. So.